Yeah, I'm at Best Buy. It's April 15th. I'm gonna have to go get the new drone. So, ready to come in with me? Let's go get this puppy. Come on. Come on. Okay, so let's go get a drone. Just because it's the thing to do. As for all the noise, I'm standing right here by the freeway. So, okay, this is it. Last chance. Do I want to get this thing or not? I need some help here. I'm thinking security's going to come out and wonder what the hell I'm doing. So, there's that. Anyway, let's go ahead and go inside and get this over with. Okay, so this is a good thing. I'm in here in Best Buy to get the new Air 2S. And look at this. Let's see if I can do this here. Nope. Nope. Huh. So lucky. No Air 2S at this store. I guess I'll have to not ever get it because they don't have it. Very cool. Very cool.